Hello everyone, welcome today. Yes, today, new week with new puzzles. Yeah. In today's newspaper on Monday, March the 21st, 2022. Yeah. We have here one regular Sudoku, it's Medium Sudoku, and we have here a puzzle page, extra puzzles. Additional, it's back. Yes, it's back. First one is a letter Sudoku. Then we have a 2 stars, the 3 stars, the tectonic with 4 stars, binary puzzle, tectonic with 1 star. And those puzzles, I'm not interested. So 6 extra puzzles, half of them I will solve. And also this Sudoku Medium. And the news of today, yes, news of today. I read the newspaper. 10 million refugees. Wow, 10 million people. Yeah, the war. Well, I don't like wars. 10 million has no home. Refugees. Anyway, let's continue with this Sudoku. Sudoku medium number, I believe, 4, 2, 8. Let me check. 4, 8, 8. Yeah, 4, 2, 8, 8. 4, 2, 8, 8. Double 8. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. And for a Sudoku with 26 printed digits, if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. In addition, this will be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Yeah. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 7. We have a 1 and a 7 in this big square, so no 1 and a 7 in these 3 boxes. The 1 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Then we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column between them. Only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Okay. And we have here 4 missing numbers in this column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and 8. We have a 4 and 8 in this big square. So no 4 and 8 in these 2 boxes. The 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 4 and 8. Okay. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So in the third column, only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, here 4, no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. The 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. It's a pair. Alright. Then. 1, 2, 3, 4. Missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this row, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. Here 7 in this column, so no 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in this column, so no 4 in this box. Here 4 in that column, so no 4 in that box. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Alright. 2 numbers left in this row. For the numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5. It goes there. Okay. Then. Let me think. How about the 7 in this column, the 7 in the middle column. So the column next down, need 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Yeah. 5 in this row. 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is the 9. We need a 9 in this big square. We see there 9 in the third row, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. Okay. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. Well, and I cannot continue with the 9. Need to wait again. Alright. How about we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in the middle row. So no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1 in this column. So no 1 in that box. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be here. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column. So the column between the only place left for the 1 should be here. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the ones are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 1. Okay. Then. How about the number? Let me see which number can I pick. 3, 2, yeah. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. On the last column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 9. see. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 6 goes there. See 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 7. 2 boxes left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 there. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then we have 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. Or there, we see there 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place left for the 8 should be there. And I've marked those 2 boxes early with the 4 and 8. Now we have 8 there, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. This is number 4, number 8. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, the 2 is missing. And the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright, so we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So last column, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square. Here we have 5 and a 6. The other pair should be the numbers 1. The 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. This is number 5, number 2. Alright. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Okay, so we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the third row. So in the row B3, the second row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6 cannot fill this yet. Wow. These 2 boxes also the 3 and a 6. 1, 2, yeah. 3 is missing. 4, 5, and a 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. Well, we have a 6 here in this column. So no 6 there. 6 should be here. And a 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 6. Alright. 1 box left in this column for the number 1, 2. The 3 is missing. So we have a 3 in the last row. 3 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 6 goes there. One box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Now we have a 6 here. This box can be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6, and this box should be a 5. Alright. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and before I leave, I'm interested in the center boxes of the big squares. Those numbers, I'm collecting them. I need more data. Maybe I can see a pattern. Maybe you can see a pattern. Okay, so we have here 751, 751, 413, 413, and 962, 962. I believe we have one pair. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, we have one pair. Okay, thank you for watching. See you soon with the other 3 puzzles in additional. Until then, bye bye for now.